Shakti and Ms. Mehdapinesi. Dear teachers, parents, and my dear friends, it is my great pleasure to welcome you all to the 27th Art Fest, Aurora 2026 of Progressive English School. Today is a celebration of talent, creativity, and confidence. We are also delighted to have our special performance, Isha Mariam and and Fatma Marha from class 12, who are here to entertain us with their special performance. Let us encourage our all participants and enjoy this wonderful celebration of talent. Once again, a warm welcome to everyone. Let us make Aurora 2026 colorful, joyful, and memorable. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Zainab, for those warm and welcoming words. Now, it's my honor to invite our respected head teacher, Miss Ajita P., to address the gathering. Let's welcome our head teacher with a big round of applause.
Mr. Principal, Mr. A.V.U., Vice Principal, Mr. Priya Krishnan, Head Teacher, FS, Ms. Mehdapinesi, School Leader, Zainab Riaz, Arts Convener, Zoha Amber, Arts Convener, Ms. Satyabama, my dear colleagues and dear my students, good morning to all. Thank you. Today is the third day of Aurora Arts Fest of Progressive English School. First of all, I appreciate all the students who are present today. Our strength is actually not this. There are too many students those who did not come to school today. Please remember, children, that's not a good habit. So whatever programs are conducted in our school, that's for the students. Okay, so the participation of the students is very important. I really appreciate all the students who came today. And thank you for that. And how many of you have already participated in any program? Okay, very good. And see, my request to all the other students who did not participate in the program, next programs, next Arts Fest onwards, all of you must participate in all the programs that is possible by you. Getting prize is not important. Suppose you did not get first, second, third prize, that doesn't matter at all. Participating in the competition or in the program is very important. Did you understand me? So next program onwards, all of you must participate. Try to participate in all the programs. And all the very best for all the participants, and our time is getting late. Without delay, we can start the program, and thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring and encouraging words. Your words will certainly motivate our young participants to give their very best. We shall now have the privilege of listening to a few words from our respected principal, Mr. A.V.U.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
All lovely. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
See, we need that energy now on our stage. See, already ma'am told you, participation is more important. Did you get it? Yes. See, participation itself is an achievement. Participation is an achievement. Because you have to come forward with confidence, you have to face the audience. So many things are there, no? So, whether you get it the first prize or second prize or third prize, that is not a matter. Participation is the matter. So you come forward and perform well, we wish you all the best. And you must understand one more thing. This Arts Fest is a part of learning. It's a part of our curriculum. It's not only just enjoyment or happiness or celebration. Is it celebration at the same time? It's a part of learning. You are learning a lot of life skills. You are learning confidence, you are learning communication skills, interaction skills, problem solving, teamwork, so many skills you are getting. So always whenever a program comes to you or competition is there, you come forward to participate because you will guide a lot of life skills. That's why we are conducting this type of arts fest. I think today is the last day before your own vacation, isn't it? Yes. So you are happy? Yes. Okay, what you will do tomorrow onwards? Huh? Play football. I think you will watch. You will watch phone. See, you may spend all time in front of your phone. Yeah, morning phone, evening mobile, and night also. You should not do that. You have to enjoy your vacation with your family. Talk to them, celebrate it. So we are our students. We are conducting 5 activities during the honor vacation. So you participate. Number 1. See, you already contributed 10 rupees, 20 rupees, no? Yes. So that 10 rupees become now more than 10,000. So we are going to give 16 people food kit. So congratulations to you. Just clap for you yourself for contributing. So similarly, you have to prepare a kit from your home and hand it over to a needy or poor, or your neighbor, or your relatives. Will you prepare a kit? With your help of your parents, maybe a food kit or fruit kit, something valuable. You just hand over it and take a picture of that kit, and we will share a form. You just upload with the help of your parents. Don't take the photos of needy or patient. Okay? And the second activity is repen. Already we are putting the box to collect the pen. Maybe after they using the pen, normally you are throwing. Are you throwing the pen, no? No? Where are you putting them? Yes. Don't throw anymore. Okay? After using the pen, you should not throw, you put it, drop it. That is our aim now, or slogan, drop it. Don't throw, drop it. Drop it in the box. So you collect it from your sister, brothers, neighbors, the used pen, or around your house and bring it after the autumn vacation. There will be a box, drop it. Clear? And take the picture how many pens you collected. The third activity, collect the plastic waste. Plastic waste. It will be there around you. Ask your parents also to join. Collect it and hand over it to the Harida Dharma Sena. So how many kilos you collected, just calculate it quick and inform your class teacher. Then we will calculate the total. Then it will be a huge amount. Then the fourth is identify the leaves. So around your homes there are a lot of trees, but you don't know what is the name of that. So ask your parents or grandparents, they will tell you. Then take one tree and put on a table, at least or minimum 10 leaves. You must know what is it. Ask the brother what is the name, what is the name, what is it. Then conduct a quiz program. Know your leaves. So that is the way we have to understand our surroundings and environment. Take a picture what you are conducting that activity. The final one, the fifth one, treasure hunt. We will conduct similar one in the campus. Then similarly you can conduct in your home. You just hide some objects or valuable thing. Ask your parents, give the parents some clues, they will find out it. Or ask your parents to hide it, then you can find out it. So some activities in your home during this vacation. So everyone, all of you should participate. So who is participating in all these 5 programs, they will get a certificate. The best participants will get a prize. So will you celebrate Onam like that productively? Yes. Just say yes again. Are you sure? Yes. All the best. Then you come back with new experience. Share with us your experience. You'll be more happy. And I want to add one more thing. You just change day by day. You have to be better, little bit better every day. Your today and tomorrow, yesterday should not be same. Your today should be better than yesterday. Your tomorrow should be better than today. You should be better than today after the autumn vacation. Your attitude should be better. You should be more respectful, more positive, more helpful person. So we will meet after the autumn vacation. More bright student, more confident student, more active student. Wish you all the best. God bless you.
principal, head teachers, council leaders, arts convener, dear parents, teachers and my dear students, and warm good morning to one and all. Good morning. Yes, as you said, the sir said also your HT has already told you. Are you ready for the arts fest? What is the name of your arts fest? Aurora 2026, right? So you are all set for your arts fest, right? Yes. So as already all of the dignitaries have mentioned, winning doesn't matter, participation that matters. Okay? So all the very best for all the participants, and also take the opportunity to appreciate your head teachers for training and providing you such a great opportunity. And make use of all the opportunities that comes on your way. And once again, all the very best and best wishes. Let's today be a memorable day for you all. Thank you very much. Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring and encouraging words.
Respected principal, vice principal, HT, arts conveners, council members, my dear teachers, parents and beloved students. Good morning to all. I know you all are eagerly waiting to explore today's arts fest, right? Participate in various competitions and showcase your talents. And as principal mentioned in his speech, today you have doubled the happiness. Along with Arts Fest, you are celebrating our honor programs also in the afternoon, right? So I won't take much of your time. I should tell you only one thing. Explore yourself. Bring out your talents. Participate with confidence. Bring out the best developed within you and make memory with your friends. Most importantly, enjoy every moment and make beautiful memories with your friends. And wish you once again wish you a very best wishes. And one more important matter, children, tomorrow you all will come to our school, right? Why? Tomorrow is our parents' meeting. You don't remember that? So today is not last day of our programs, or not last day of before the vacation. Tomorrow you should come with your parents. The attendance is compulsory. We will wait all of you for tomorrow. With your parents. You should remind your parents to come tomorrow. Okay? Once again, wish you all very best. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.